MPD edit aligning columns with the Projector tool. This example is based on real practice and aims to help you rethink your modeling approach. In such cases, it's convenient to create a custom component controlled by the position of the main part, in this case, the column. This makes it easy to edit the custom component, with changes applied to all instances of the component. So, the first step is to create the base plate component. Next, copy the columns. The column spacing doesn't matter for this example. Once everything is set up, you can easily align the columns and move them 140 mm into the concrete slab using the Projector tool. If needed, you can rotate the column 90 degrees using the Alt+Space keyboard shortcut. The Auto-Align to Plane option of the Projector tool makes the beam parallel to the specified plane and rotates it to the angle closest to one of the main axes of the beam. The column geometry and base plate are created for demonstration purposes only and are not meant to be followed as instructions.